didn't really do any updates yesterday because we had a pretty chill day and got pretty drunk.
Yeah, we don't want to promote binge drinking on our channel, so we decided not to.
Yeah, we decided not to film it, but we just had a chill day at the beach and at the beach bar. Had some nice paella.
Yeah.
And chilled out. Anyway, today we are on the road again. We're not leaving yet, but we are going on a bit of a day trip down to Gibraltar.
Yeah, we're gonna go. And,
Sam's been before. I've never been, and I've always kind of wanted to see it, just out of interest.
It's a pretty weird and cool place.
Yeah.
We're gonna go and see some monkeys.
And some British people that don't live in England. Yeah. So yeah, could be interesting. So we're just following this pretty cool, like coastal dual carriageway. It's only like a 2-hour and a bit drive, so it should be a nice cheeky little trip. Yeah. See you there.
Hey George, what are we doing?
Hey, we are doing some improvisational Spanish/Turkish cooking. We're doing Spanish omelette and fried things.
Yeah,
It's the second time we've done VW Passat does cooking.
That is true. This is slightly more
Mediterranean
and improvisational because last time we cooked
it was a fajita kit, wasn't it?
fajita kit. A little paso fajita kit. Yeah, so we're doing chorizo. I'm going to fry the chorizo up with all the onions and courgette, tomatoes, and yeah, we're having this rather destroyed Spanish omelette.
Damn, son, look at that. Some very nice looking gin and tonics.
Gin.
Gin. Hello.
Hey.
We are on our way up a mountain of some description. We have no idea where we're going. We basically just I basically just looked on Google Maps and tried to find something that looked like it might be good for a hike. So we're heading up these very windy mountain roads. It's going to take us 36 minutes to do 11 kilometers. Made it to the top of some sort of mound.
Yeah, boy. Good morning. This morning we are progressively leaving this quite incredible view behind us. Although, still only about halfway through the trip. So we're heading up towards Barcelona tonight.
And then where are we on to then? South of France?
Yeah, south of France and Lake Annecy
Yeah.
after that.
Over the Alps.
Alright,
Hit the road.
let's go.